Hey everybody, this is Rydo, and we are back with another episode of the Code 3. We have traveled to the future. At least I think that's what we've done. And now we are in some weird futuristic version. Don't want to fall down into oblivion. And it doesn't look like we can go back the way we came. We can get some more 8. That lovely 8. But I want to get rid of some of these bottles too. Just toss bottles down the stairs, because that's what you do, right? You just toss bottles down the stairs. Somebody else cleans them up, right? Actually, I was trying to toss them down that hole. Into oblivion. Go away, bottles! Anyways, so we've got this whole area here with blackness and darkness and trees growing everywhere. The code has become overrun. This is actually kind of the first indication that there was actually any life in the code. In the code 1, we certainly did see uh, zombies and skeletons and things like that, but we didn't see any plants. So now there's plants. All of a sudden plants exist in this universe. At least trees. Okay, so we have purple here, but the purple's not working. And if this is the purple, wouldn't that make this the jump room? That doesn't make any sense. We see another one of these weird symbols. Let's see. I can't read it. Who? We'll pick up that book later. That's, I believe, an Easter egg. So we have the hashtag. What is that number? It can't be 9. Don't tell me that's 9. Am I gonna have to get closer to my screen to be able to read this? Can we get up there closer? We've got to get up there closer. We don't have a choice. This is actually a parkour puzzle we do have to actually solve, unfortunately. Alright. So, 7. Hashtag equals 7. 7 slash hash tag. I don't even know if hashtags were a thing when this was made. Uh, when did hashtags become a thing? When pretty much when Twitter came out, and this puzzle might be slightly older than that. But we gotta get through this hole. Actually, we don't. Let's read the book. Thanks to Think Magnet, Captain Sparkles, Think Noodles, Seval, Simply Sark, Seth Bling, Hi Folks, I'm Adam, Disaster Piece, Dataset, Jarek, Swimpleweg, Jasper, Swingleg. This is just a thanks of people that helped Jasper the End in some ways. Now let's see. I watch Captain Sparkles sometimes. I watch Simply Sark. I'm subscribed to them. I watch Seth Bling. Seth Bling does some really crazy stuff uh, every now and then with Minecraft. And I have not seen any of these other people. But I imagine they are all Redstone or some other way uh, Minecraft creators. Because all of them certainly do something with Minecraft. Captain Sparkles, I don't know if Captain Sparkles has really created a lot. Uh, lately he's been doing his own game. It was called Fortress Fallout, and then uh, apparently in America it's illegal to use the word Fallout because uh, Bethesda owns the game series Fallout. Thus, the entire word of Fallout is copyrighted somehow, and so now it's called Fortress Fury, and looks like it's a decent game. I don't think it's gonna blow the world's socks off or anything. Just like my parkour skills. And this whole, see, there's so much trickery. Like you can hold shift and then walk to the side, and then you cannot fall off if you're holding shift, but you can't really jump off either. And so that I don't do any of that stuff. Technically I'm still standing on the block somehow. I moved 1 pixel too far there, but technically I was still standing on the block. And that's just some silliness. That holding shift gets you all the way to the edge and really far from the edge. Come on. There we go. Finally we get through there. And what's really sad is I know we're gonna have to do this again because of this next puzzle. We have something here, but nothing there. I saw something for a second in that map, but now I don't see it. That looks like a chest down there. No, it's just a piece of wood. Alright, so we've got a new potions. All our 8s disappeared at some point. We've got a new potion. We've got a sign here that does nothing. We've got this that is expanding. Great. So whatever this weird world is expanding, and it seems like the red dots are saying that something is wrong in those rooms and we need to correct them. That we haven't solved the codes in those rooms, we haven't fixed that. So we have underscore, we have 8. Nothing more can be done from that section. Nothing more can be done from that section. We cannot access this, so whatever this is, we can't access it. And then we have patches of grass in the future. So unless this is a jump thing, we can't get up there. And what is that? Oh, it's a stair. It's just a stair. For a second there I thought it was something else, but nope, just a stair. We want to get in this room in the past. Let's see. Jump up. Alright, so that is a jump ability. It doesn't last long. And it's not high enough to jump up this way. Just high enough to get that way, so I can't get up there. In fact, I pretty much can't do anything. We found all we can find in this puzzle right now. We need to... We'll go ahead and put that back. We don't need that. We need to... See, when you cross this red line, I guess that's where you lose your items. We need to go back. Send us back, machine. Send us back to the past. Come on, machine. Nope, not gonna work that way. Well, then we're gonna have to do something really desperate, aren't we? And we're back into the past. This whole dying to get to the back to the past is weird. So this is the purple. That room we were in had something to look like this area. It's the same area, it's just been destroyed. We've got to get into that room that is, but we've got to get into that room in the past somehow. And I don't exactly know how we're gonna do that. But one thing we didn't do and we'll do next time is we'll go into the upside down version with the switches like this. And then we'll end the episode. This effect here where the wall is rotating is pretty amazing, considering it's not being done by pistons and it's not being done by cloning in the sense of standard sticky piston cloning that you could do in 1.84 or just cloning entire areas to make an animation. Now the room is upside down. The parkour room does now look like lamps instead of parkour challenges. And so let's jump down. And we are into the next puzzle. We didn't really solve the previous puzzle, but that's alright because that's how this game goes. We're going to go between one area and the next area. We're going to learn a few things. We did learn that 7 equals hashtag, for all that's worth, but we're not going to solve everything. It's not possible. It wants us to run around through different sections. We've seen 2 other puzzles that we didn't even touch, and we'll have to go back and get to those later. Anyways, that's the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I ask you to like, share, subscribe, comment if you want to, and watch every second of my videos. All of that helps out. If you want to support me, click on my name, Rydo. On the right will be a blue button that says support this channel. If you want to follow or friend me on any social media site, I have links down below. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.